Today I'm going to be interpreting the tarot card Six of Cups. I'm using the Rider-Waite Tarot deck on the right and the Osho Zen Tarot deck on the left. This is the number 6. This number is a number of harmony. This is a water element card. It correlates with the Sun in Scorpio in astrology. And when the energy of this card finds you in a reading, you can expect some memories from the past or childhood resurfacing. There's a revisiting of the past or home. There's also a need to resolving old patterns. There's also showing some vulnerability, as you can see in the photos. There's falling in love also. A new knowledge and opportunity is also awakened in this card. Gifts and enjoyment, someone giving beautiful gifts or admirations to you. When the energy of this card finds you in reverse, you can expect some clinging to the past. Negative factors from the past and the present are colliding or intertwining. There's some unpleasant memories going on. There's a longing for childhood or something that makes you feel safe. There's a possibility of a very difficult past emotionally that the seeker doesn't want to think about nor discuss. So when you get the Six of Cups in a reading, ask yourself, is there anything that you can think of, any fond memories from the past that can make you smile again?